Hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, o anumang oras nyo napanood ang video ito. Welcome sa ating channel. Our topic for today is annual investment cost. I am your professor, Engineer Eduardo Tapia. And the entire cost of operating and maintaining an investment cover the course of a year is referred to as annual investment cost. This cover costs like operating cost, no? So expenses related to using the investment, including labor, fuel, and maintenance. Maintenance cost, consistent expenditure for maintenance and repairs to guarantee the investment continues to function. Interest and dividends, indirect expenses associated with the interest paid on loans or dividends obtained from investment. Taxes and insurance, extra expenses brought on by a taxes responsibility and insurance coverage. So, this is the formula. M equals C I plus Wi over 1 plus I raised to n minus 1, where W equals R times 1 plus I raised to n minus 1 over I. Or that is R is equal to Wi over 1 plus I raised to n minus 1. Okay? So, parang C times I plus R. Where M is the annual investment cost, no? C is the original cost of an asset. D are the periodic payment. Ang I natin, the interest rate. In as the total number of compounding period. T, time in years. W, wearing value. And L, the salvage value. So example 1. The original cost of a machine is 30,000 pesos and will have a salvage value of 1,500 pesos when retired at the end of 12 years. If money is worth 6%, find the annual investment cost or the minimum income per year to produce the machine. So, halimbawa, kasi ang mga gamit nasisira, no? Tapos, halimbawa, bibili ka ulit after 12 years. The same machine na gusto mong bibilhin. So, magkano ang kailangan mong kikitain every year for 12 years para mabili mo yung machine na yon? Okay, so you have the cost 30,000, ang ating salvage value ay 1,500. I natin ay 6%, ang T natin ay 12. Okay, so wearing value, C minus L, or the cost minus the salvage value, and that is 30,000 minus 1,500. So the wearing value ay 28,500. Solution to find the annual investment cost. Okay, M equals C times I, so ang C natin ay 30,000. So, times 0.06 plus W natin ay 28,500 times 0.06 over 1.06 raised to 12 minus 1. So, ginawa natin ito, kinumpute natin to using the calculator. 20,000 times 20,500 times 0.06 divided by 1.06 raised to 12 minus 1. Ang answer ay 1,689.40. So, plus 1,800, ito yung cost times the percent, no? Kaya ang ating annual investment cost ay 3,489.40. So, yan ang ipunin mo for 12 years. After 12 years, makakabili ka ng ulit ng machine na yon. Pag nasira na yung machine na yon, tapos papalitan mo ng bago, so kailangan mo makaipon ng ganitong halagang pera, no? Every year. Number 2, a concrete mix costs 750 pesos per square meter and must be restored at the same cost for 8 years. If money is worth 7%, how much will the city engineering office spend to pay for a different type of concrete mix if it requires to restore of its original cost at the end of 12 years? So mayroon tayong dalawang cost dito. Yung isang hanapin natin. Ang unang cost, 750, it will last for 8 years. Okay, the interest ay 8%, ang N2 natin ay 12 years. So, magkano po yung halaga ng concrete mix na yon, no? Kung ang abot siya ng 12 years. So, ito ang magiging formula natin. C sub 2 is equal to C sub 1 times 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative n sub 2 over 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative n sub 1. And since mahaba ang year ng n sub 2, we are expecting na mas mataas ang cost ng c sub 2. Okay. So that is 750,000 times 1 minus 1.08 raised to negative 12 divided 1 minus 1.08 raised to negative 8. Ang answer natin ay 983.54 pesos. Okay? So, multiply natin, sinasolve natin to using the calculator times 750 kaya umabot tayo ng 983.54. Ito yung cost ng concrete mix na tatagal ng 12 years. Okay? Example 3. The original cost of an e-bike is 120,000 pesos and will have a salvage value of 10,500 pesos when retired at the end of 10 years. If money is worth 8%, find the annual investment cost or the minimum income per year to buy new e-bike in 10 years. So, ang given natin, ang ating cost ay 120,000, ang salvage value ay 10,500, ang ating interest 8%, ang ating time ay 10 years. Ang wearing value natin, C minus L, is that is 120,000 minus 10,500 equals 109,500. So to solve, to find the annual investment cost, so the formula M equals C times I plus WI over 1 plus I raised to N minus 1. So that is 120,000. Okay, so ang ating cost ay 120,000 times 0.08 plus W natin. Ang ating wearing value ay 109,500 times 0.08 divided by 1.08 raised to 10 minus 1. So itong 109,500 times 0.08 divided by 1.08 raised to 10 minus 1, ang sagot po niyan ay 7,558.73. Tapos itong 120,000 times 0.08 ay 9,600 po ang sagot niyan. So kapag i-plus natin to, we come up 17,158.73 pesos. Ito po yung ating annual investment cost. Alright? This is your activity number 1. Determine the annual investment cost on equipment worth 500,000 pesos that will be worn out for 10 years with a final scrap value of 250,000 pesos. If money is 5% interest rate. Find the annual investment cost of a car worth 1,500,000 pesos that will be worn out for 15 years with final scrap value of 150,000. If money is 6.5% interest rate. Number 3, determine the annual investment cost of a cargo truck worth 2,550,000 pesos that will be worn out for 12 years. Final scrap value of 300,000 pesos if money is 7% interest rate. So thank you very much for watching and keep learning, no? So I hope you don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Matuto Dapat. Maraming salamat. God bless you.